Hello again. This is Jason from Leola Stained Glass, and this is part 4 of how to paint on stained glass, part of our bird series. And what I'm doing is what's called silver staining. We actually have the glass flipped over, and we are applying the silver stain to the back of the glass. This is actually a very traditional painting method that goes back over 1,000 years old. That is actually where the term stained glass comes from, is the staining of clear glass. Originally, glass was all clear and then stained to various colors. And this is the modern day application of this similar technique. Now, silver stains generally come in an amber yellow color, or they come in kind of a bright burnt orange. And what we're adding here is the orange silver stain to the back that will shine through our brown and yellow glaze that we use for the branches and part of the bird chest and feathers. And we won't really know how well we did until we fire it and it comes out in the kiln. But this silver stain actually goes down in the kiln. When you paint your other colors, they will face up, but the silver stains traditionally will always face down. And you got to be careful because it can leave a little bit of a residue on the bottom of your kiln. So it's very important that you put whiting powder down as a base in the kiln, or use a kiln paper like I like to use. So we're just finishing this up here and putting an even thin coat of the silver stain, and so it shines through when the light hits it. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll see how this turns out. And as always, thank you for watching.